Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deanna for those of you that are new here. I wanted to come on here and film how I blow dry my hair. Usually when I let it air dry, I have like natural beachy curly waves, but when I blow dry it and style it, it comes out pretty straight. Even if I don't style it, my hair blow dries really straight, like pretty straight. But I wanted to show you guys how I style it using literally my blow dryer, a round brush, and a flat brush to just brush out the knots. Yeah, so I'm currently at my boyfriend's apartment in the city. We are in quarantine, so I really wanted to get some content up for you guys. I'm so sorry about the lighting also. It is not great and I'm literally on my tippy toes, but this was the final result and I love the way it came out. I'm sweating right now. Usually it comes out better when I'm home, but I really wanted to get this up for you guys. So yeah, maybe I'll do like an updated one in the future. So please subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Leave in the comments down below what else you want to see from me. And follow me on Instagram. The link is always down in the description. So if you want to see how I style my hair, then please keep watching. Oof, I'm sweating already, guys. I know I'm going to be drenched by the end of this video. So to start, let me tell you what I washed my hair with. Don't mind me, I look awful right now. I use the Kerastase shampoo and conditioner. I think this is the blonde purple conditioner for like blonde hair. And this is the shampoo multi-protector. Love them, they smell amazing. This is what my hairdresser uses on me, so love so much. And right now, also, sorry about the background, guys. Me and my boyfriend are currently quarantining in his apartment. So I gotta use what I brought. And I brought my travel size blow dryer. I have a different one at home that's much stronger. And I have a little nozzle on it. Honestly, use any blow dryer. Two brushes I use. I brush out my hair with just this type of brush, just like a flat brush. And then I have this is all Revlon, by the way. And I have a Revlon round brush. I don't have anything fancy with me just because I'm at my boyfriend's and I have limited things here, but I really wanted to film while I'm here. So we're just gonna blow dry my hair and I'll show you guys how I style it. Okay, so I'm going to section it off. Now, I just washed my hair. I used the shampoo and conditioner. I don't put anything else in my hair. Actually, we're not gonna section it off yet because I want to damp it a little bit more with the blow dryer. So what I'm gonna do, this dropped, is take the nozzle off, I guess. And I'm just gonna like damp it a little bit more. And it's so loud, so I'm just gonna play music and you guys can see what I do. Okay, so it was a little damp before because I waited a little bit and then I just damped it even more, blow dried it a little bit. You want to get your hair about like 90% dry just so it's easier. Also, I'm sorry with the lighting. I hope it's good lighting and you guys can see. Honestly, the lighting is not great. Now what I'm going to do is section my hair. And if it feels a little wet, I'm first going to just dry it a little bit. I'm going to take my silk scrunchie and just, honestly, nothing fancy. I'm just gonna damp it a little bit more, and then once I put my nozzle back on, you guys will see what I then do with my round brush. Okay, now I am brushing my hair and I'm putting the nozzle back on the blow dryer. And now I'm gonna start using my round brush. So I'm just gonna kind of take piece by piece with this round brush and I'm just gonna go, you'll see, I feel like it's more of a visual thing. I can't really talk you through it just because the blow dryer is so loud. I'm gonna try and go on my tippy toes because I'm so short and my hair is so long. But basically I'm gonna take about this much a piece and I'm just gonna kind of curl the bottoms and smooth everything out. I'm gonna go under. You could go out, you know, like switch it up. It's gonna be different each layer. Like my top layer, I have angles and layers, so I have more fun on the top and I like make more curled pieces. The bottom, it's just you want to smooth out the bottom, so that is what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so for the bottom layer, you can see how in the video I like twisted it. You can twist it. I don't like it like curly. I kind of just like it smooth and straight. So I just blow dried the bottom layer straight and smooth. And we are going to go to the top layer now. And you will see what I do. So what I'm gonna do for the top layer, it's pretty much damp and dry now. I'm just gonna do a bunch of tricks with the round brush and you will just watch me do it and you'll get a feel for what I do. Gotta brush all the hair first. And I kind of just mix it with the blowed out hair layer, like the bottom layer. I'm just going to smooth everything out first and then start styling it. Beautiful. Was it hard to get?
There was light stock, but they also were limiting people to 3. I got 2.
Oh wow, they were limiting people?
Yeah.
Got some toilet paper in quarantine, guys. So we're doing the So this is the look. Alright guys, so this is the finished result. Again, I'm sorry for the lighting. I literally just filmed a makeup tutorial and my boyfriend is going to do the voiceover for the makeup tutorial. It wasn't even a makeup tutorial. It was literally a 5-minute like makeup look. Very natural and easy. Yes, so either that'll be up before or after this. I'm not sure. But yes, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one.